Hi guys. So I know I'm looking kind of rough right now. I literally just got off work and I had to put this video out for you guys. So please don't mind how rough I'm looking. If most of you don't know, I'm a daycare teacher. So I'm at school all day and then I do videos. But I got Wendys 4 for $4 today. I got some nuggets, some fries, and a double stack. Please don't judge me how rough I'm looking. I know just yesterday I was looking fancy. Is it good? And today I'm looking rough. I got some ranch and honey mustard. Ranch for my fries, honey mustard for my nuggets. I had a soda, but I dropped it. And I'm thirsty. I had a Coke, and I was getting out the car, and it just boop, right on the ground. So upsetting, but life goes on. How is everyone doing today? I hope great. So, some of you have been asking about the burping challenge on subscribe. And I've decided that I think I'm gonna do that when we hit 100 subscribers. Yeah, so make sure you guys share these videos so we can get the word out. I said I had ranch for my fries, didn't I? I'm dipping it in the honey mustard. Still good though. I'm starving. I literally haven't eaten anything since like lunchtime. That was like 11. It is currently 6:19. I'm blind. I can't see. So if I seem to be eating pretty fast, that's because I'm hungry. Is it good? Did I say I got a double stack? I don't know what they're doing with this little piece of onion. I love onions. I can't stand pieces like this. Like, I love the honey mustard. So real. Can y'all comment down below some food places you want to see me try? Oh, it's so rough. Oh, Gosh, the chicken nuggets are so good. You better eat. So, you guys, I'm looking to get a microphone. If there are any microphones that I should look into, I think I'm gonna get the Blue Yeti. Cause I don't know, I've heard good things about Blue Yeti, but I want it to be like good quality sound. So if anybody knows anything about microphones and sounds, let me know. Comment down below. You better eat. It's got 2 patties. For the focus. There we go. 2 patties with cheese, a double stack. I don't usually eat their pickles, but I'm hungry, so I don't care. Want to bite a burger? Okay. What are you seeing? I can't believe I dropped my Coke. I was so ready to drink it too. Just fell right out my hands. I'm so thirsty. Like extremely thirsty.
Visit. Still, I can again. Yes.
This was good.
Yeah,
I'm full though. I wanna know. Boo, do you think we can get double nuggets? You would want to bite a burger after. Seriously, Boo? After I offer you a piece, you said no. I want to know if you can get double nuggets instead of picking a burger or a chicken sandwich. I might try that next time. That was good. That was quick. Because I told y'all I was hungry. I usually don't eat that fast, but lunch was at 11. It's 6 hours. Well, 11. 7 hours ago. So I'm hungry. Well, I was hungry. I'm good now. But you guys, please, like I said, please don't judge me for my hair look like this. I literally just got off work. And I had to do this video for you guys. Because we're trying to make it to 100 subscribers. So we can do the burping contest. For some of you guys that keep asking. I know. So now you have an answer. When we hit 100 subscribers, that's when we would do the contest. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And your post notification bell so you won't miss when I upload. See y'all in tomorrow's video.